Today we are going to be discussing about 5 characteristics of a winner, aka a successful person. By the way, if you are meeting first time, I am Manav and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are looking for motivational content, if you want to improve your future self, you have to start your journey right now by subscribing to this channel. And don't forget to turn on that post notification bell so you don't miss anything. So without further ado, let's start. Have you ever seen a winner, a successful person? They make everything look so much easy. They do everything so smoothly. Are these things really easy? Hell no. But how do they do that? Because they follow certain mindsets which help them do that. All the winners, all the successful persons has 5 basic characteristics, basic mindsets that they follow that makes them what they are, winners. And in order to be a winner yourself, you need to start following these mindset, these characteristics. So what are these? Let's look at each and every mindset one by one. First mindset is a winner does not overthink, they just act. And let me tell you the reason why we overthink. Also, I have created a video on how to stop overthinking. So if you want to check this video out, I will mention that in I button. And long story short, we don't like to do those things that looks vulnerable, that looks overwhelming, and that is one of the biggest reason why we overthink. So what's the solution? You need to start focusing on smaller tasks. As always, just start focusing on the smaller pretty thing. Divide your bigger task into smaller chunks. And also there is a rule known as 5-minute rule that says that if you are able to do something only for 5 minutes, you can complete that thing. So stop overthinking, just act. Start focusing on smaller things, smaller cute things, and avoid bigger things, overwhelming things. So in the end, stop overthinking and move on to the second mindset. Second mindset is that a winner, a successful person will not underestimate any person. Doesn't matter what your position is, what your standard is. If you underestimate a person, it's your loss, not theirs. Don't have this egotistic, this selfish thinking, because once a loser doesn't mean that he is always going to lose. A loser can win if he can work hard, but if you underestimate him, you think low of him, it's your fault. I am pretty much sure that you have heard about the story of a turtle and a rabbit, where rabbit, comparatively faster than turtle, loses the race because turtle was persistent, turtle knew hard work, and he beat that natural talent of a rabbit. So don't underestimate someone, and even if someone is underestimate you, start focusing on your hard work, start focusing on what you are, because you can outwork them by your hard work. And that was the second mindset. Start focusing on your hard work and never underestimate anyone. Moving on to the third mindset. Third mindset is that a winner will never lie to anyone, not even anybody else, not even to himself. He always be honest with what he is. If he has failed, he accept that he is failed. If a winner realizes that he is not working as hard as he should, he start focusing on that. A winner will never lie to himself, and you should not lie to yourself as well. Most of the time it happens that we say to ourselves that I can do this is so easy, I am just ignoring this. In the reality, you are just avoiding that and being overconfident, and you don't need to do that either. Start focusing on what was wrong and how can you solve this. You have to be honest with you have to stop lying to yourself. So always be honest with yourself, because that is going to make you improve yourself, because you are being honest, you know the stats, you are really willing to improve these facts, you are really willing to improve your future self. Fourth mindset of a winner is that he plans before he takes action. I am pretty much sure that you have seen a movie or a web series at least once in your life, and you might have also seen that a hero does things without even thinking and he success, and he says a dialogue like, don't overthink, do without even thinking, which is completely wrong. You have to plan before you know what you are going to do. Without a plan, everything is going to fail. For example, you have to prepare a presentation. You are not going to just start writing something down. You will research it, you will start finding relevant content, you will start researching about what is the best motive of my presentation, and then you plan the action then you take action. And that is what a winner is doing. That is what a successful person is doing. They are planning before they are going to take action. Take example of a chess grandmaster. He plans 7 moves ahead. A business entrepreneur strategizes his whole business strategy of 1 month ahead, and they are successful only because they plan what they are going to do. So don't do something out of nowhere. Always give it a thought. Always think about it. Always plan about it. At least research about it, what you are going to do. And if you are going to do it right, you are going to be successful. But if you find out that what you want to do is wrong, start focusing on something else. Start another approach. But always plan what you are going to do. And this left us with fifth and the final mindset of a winner, of a successful person. Never lose your focus. And I believe that focus is one of the biggest thing that people like me, people like you lack in themselves. In this beautiful world, in this colorful, attractive world, we are getting distracted so easily. If you want to achieve something, you need to start focusing. You need a single focal point to focus on. You need to start focus on what your goal is, only on that. If you are sitting on a chair and you are about to do something, completely focus on that particular thing. Focus is a one direction road. If you got a little distracted on another road, there is no coming back, and you surely don't want to let that happen. So always focus on what you are doing. And that's it for me today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, you have to let me know by liking this video. Also, if you want to learn about more motivational content, make sure you start your journey right now by subscribing to this channel. Also, make sure to check out my other videos. I will mention some of my best videos right here, so don't forget to check these videos out. And like this video, share this video with your friends and family, and I will see you in another video another time. Peace out.